Hey, how you doing? I want to talk about a book of mine, 52 Prepper Projects for Parents and Kids. This is, I guess, part of the series, 52 Prepper Projects. This is the second of the 52 Projects books. And really the goal is anybody could read a book, anybody could go online, anybody can, get in a news group, whatnot. But taking that stuff that you read on the internet and actually making it work, right? Anybody can talk. This book's about doing. It's got a project a month or a project a week, depending on how many years you want to take to do it. But if you do one of these projects every weekend in a matter of a year, you've got a whole bunch of new skills and you have a lot of cool new tools. But what's different in this book than the original book, this is geared for your kids, right? Wise men once said, if you raise your kids, you can spoil your grandkids. If you spoil your kids, you got to raise your grandkids. There's a lot of wisdom in that. And in this book, it gives you things that you can do with your child to teach them responsibility, self-reliance, cause and effect, right? To give them some hands-on skills versus them sitting and playing with the iPhone all day, right? Not only is this a good project book, but at the end of each project, it's got some talking points, some things that the child should maybe learn from the project, things you could talk about with your kid as you do the projects. A lot of good images, a lot of good pictures, and I didn't write this for any specific age group, right? My kid was a little bitty kid when we started this. Now that he's 7 and 8, he really likes doing these projects, and he really likes, talking about what him and his dad did over the weekend, right? So check it out.